Hello everyone, I'm Iris from Iris Impressions Art. Welcome to my little creative corner, tiny studio, my channel. Welcome to my channel! Today I have got a new little video for you in which we're going to unwrap some Happy Mail. So on my Patreon I have a Happy Mail tier where I send out a package of Happy Mail every 6 months to patrons who pledge on that tier. And today I wanted to give you a little look and sneak peek. Well, it's not really a sneak peek, I'm going to show you everything, of what's in the Happy Mail that people received back in April, May, that people received in May, or maybe June if they were far away from me because the post takes time. But anyway, I want to show you all of the things that are in here because there's a lot of stickers specifically that I made especially for this tier, and I just want to show them off because I'm proud. If after seeing this you think I want me some of that Happy Mail, then you can sign up in my Patreon on the Happy Mail tier. You will not be able to get this particular package of Happy Mail because this was the package for May, and the next time that I send out Happy Mail, it will be completely unique and different from the previous time. But yeah, if that's something that you're interested in, please check out my Patreon. The link will be in the description, and you can see if that is something that you would like to sign up for to get in the mail. And in the meantime, you'd also be supporting me as a working artist, so it would be very exciting for both of us. All right, let's get into it and unwrap the stickers and other little things that are in this package of Happy Mail. Oh yes, small aside, if you didn't notice, there's swearing in these stickers. If that offends you, please don't watch my videos. Okay, it's time to get into this. It's high time also so that we can get rid of this glare. So the Happy Mail is basically a little fun package of unique stickers that have been made specifically for the Happy Mail tier. They might be available at some other point, but you know, I'm not being super commercial about it, so they might also not. So this is a really good opportunity to grab some super unique stickers. I also include other things such as ephemera, postcard, and excitingly, this time I decided to include some mawam, which is a sweet, just in case you're not familiar with them, and a tea bag. So those two little things were very exciting. I put them on the outside so that they didn't like mess things up and stuff. But let's have a look in here. And like I said in the introduction, the next time that I send out Happy Mail, which will be in November, it will be completely different from this, but it will be a similar concept and it will be a similar amount of things. So this will hopefully give you a good idea. So here we've got a little stack of stickers. Let's see. So this is exactly how somebody would get this in the mail. So it's all nicely packaged like this, and then like the extras are in the back. So we got a sticker sheet there. Let's just get everything out for a minute. We've got some papers there, some more stickers there. Ooh, it's all falling out. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh yes, I'm like sticking this on here. And then let's get these at the front out as well. Okay, so we've got the little sweet and we've got the tea bag, this is the tea bag. This tea, I drink this a lot. It's my favorite. It's elderberry and echinacea. Love it. Okay, so we've got a bunch of different things. I'll leave the stickers for last because I think they're very exciting. I mean, I think all of this is exciting, to be honest. Right, so we've got some painted things. So we got a little bit of painted paper. And obviously, when I'm showing you these things, every single set would have been different. So it's not like everybody got the same piece of paper with these marks on it. They would have just been like lots of different bits with paint and things on them that people would have got. Here is a little book page, ephemera paper, got a little dried tea bag, and then we've just got some general pages from books and things that people can use as ephemera and collage papers. So some painted stuff and some unpainted stuff, kind of just for your stash. I included in every single Happy Mail a mini painting or mini drawing of a quirky face. So in my kind of style, there's a post on Instagram somewhere. Editing Iris will pop it in here where you can see all of the different ones that I did. It was really great fun, and I love including something that is like super unique and like a little mini artwork. Then this postcard, which is one of my recent works. So this is just a blank postcard. You can use it either to frame as a little mini print, or you can actually send it in the post. It's got blank on the back, which I like. I've seen sometimes people do postcards and it's like it's got printed text on the back, and then I'm like, well, now you can't use it anymore. So I like to have it kind of multi-purpose, so you can decide how you want to use it yourself. Now let's get into the stickers. I'm super excited about these. I decided to do 2 sticker sheets. One of them was this. There is also a video over on my Patreon in which I show you the design concept or the design process of how I created these stickers and how I was kind of brainstorming them. They are basically stickers for disappointed people, and they allow you to express some strong feelings. And I love how honest these are. I love how these are just kind of like reward stickers for kids, except they're obviously not for kids, they're for adults. These I'm very excited about. These are little bits from my artwork. I have been going through a phase recently where I'm using a lot of post-it notes in my art, and they are just like in my art, and then I decided to cut them out and make a sticker sheet out of the different ones, just so that you can use those in your own art as well, as like little messages, post-it notes, or you could just like use them to decorate your sketchbook. Now we are here with the die cut stickers. This is a little freebie that I threw in. This is just like a little kind of advert for my Instagram channel. Check out my Instagram if you are not following me there. I post pretty much all my work, like both completed work, you know, sketches, stuff that I'm working out, stuff that I love, stuff that I'm not sure about, stuff that I don't like. I don't really filter as to what I post online because I feel like it's all part of the process. So yeah, check me out on Instagram. Let's see, these are kind of part of a little set as the way I think about them. These are little die cut faces with a little white border around it. I do love my stickers with white border, and I especially love these 3. Love the way the colors turned out on this one, and I just really like these with the kind of the flowy pink hair that sticks out. Yeah, really like those. I went through a little phase recently of painting some pears. I think I was just like trying to stretch my creative muscles and use my process in painting something kind of simple and not so emotionally loaded. So I did a few pears, and then I turned a couple of them into stickers. So we've got one that is like a little tiny dainty one with rounded corners, and one that is like die cut with the white border. I really like these. They got such a great kind of mixed media textured vibe, and the texture really shines through even on a kind of a printed glossy paper. Then in a similar format as the little pear, I did this little art journal page, which I really like. It's just like a fully fledged art journal page, but as a mini sticker, so that's really fun. Another art journal page as a mini sticker, but in this case I kind of cut around it in an organic form rather than making it straight, and I love the effect that creates. This is from a little zine that I'm working on, and I turned one of the pages into a sticker. So this is one of the larger stickers in this pack, together with that one and that one. So a little rectangular sticker, very nice. I love the way that these colors came out, and also you can really see the texture in the hair and in that background. I really like how that turned out. And then finally a little crow, a little weird crow. There we go, that's the full collection. I really hope you enjoyed this little unwrapping of the Happy Mail. If you would like to sign up to the Happy Mail tier, you can do so until the end of June. It has to be done before the end of June, otherwise you miss out. So just so you're aware of that. You can read all of the details and how it works over on my Patreon. And if you've got any questions, just let me know, I'll be happy to answer them. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!